Meownet. Today, Meownet has finally got an update. We gotta see me lag. Yeah, I hate lag too. So bad I have to get taller, so we're gonna be theorizing with some people. Since apparently I think 2023 build just came out. We can finally learn that we finally have a new level to Omniscient. And I'm not bringing them here just to torture them again. I actually want to tell them something. If they join, they're lucky. Because I would tell them that there's finally a new level after so many weeks. They don't need to join. I'm not going to look at their stream because I'm not like that now. I kind of mostly sometimes on TikTok now. Not going to be very active, but this probably might be the last time you see me active due to school. Not last, but I won't be uploading on computer. This will be raw footage. And yes, I will be using my VR to upload it. But yeah, let's get started onto the next level. I really know about this level, by the way. It's very great. Do y'all think I'm like too big to fit for it? So I think that means since the next like level came out, there actually might be the hard mode to the next, like, you know, whenever you're done with the Omniscient hard mode, you actually, that might be the next level, but he's even faster, basically. So yeah, this video will have a randomized thumbnail. Oh god, this is like a duck challenge. Yeah, this video will have no wrong. This video will have no like thumbnail. It will have a random thumbnail. It won't have like a made thumbnail because I don't have my phone right now and I'm not going to be using it because school's back. Yeah, that means so I cannot upload any Sparta remixes right now. If I'm on vacation like somewhere else, I can upload. I have that. So this is my first time playing it. I'm nervous. It's basically, I can tell it's like all the levels. How many cars do you possibly need, Contracts? Can we take a little shortcut? What's this? Is this like some like hint? We gotta look around for some clues. What could possibly be in this? Dude, what do you need a big hallway for? Go. Oh god! Go! God! Good! Go! Don't look behind, it's even worse. Come on, go! I'm dead! Ah, I was actually scared. Alright. I couldn't finish because I'm too tall. Man. Yeah, I actually like that. It's actually very scary. Yeah, that was actually scary. Jeez. I'll see y'all later in the next video. Goodbye. Check you out. Peace.